Don't touch mine.
Hello everyone! My name is Jeffa Samonte. I will cook a very special cook chicken halang-halang. So first of all, I will chop this onion, garlic, and onion rings. Tsaka kakaday. So, finish na. First thing to do is I will marinate this chicken. Very special chicken. So, where is the... So, we will marinate this chicken. I will put this vinegar, silver swan slices, and okay, we will put this together and I marinate within 20 seconds. Okay, 20 minutes is done, and the second moves is I will cook this very special recipe. Okay, and the second moves is I will put this oil, coconut oil, and I will drop this pan.
Wala ba ni Siga? Okay, okay na.
Okay, and the third, I will put the onion first. So, you shake that. Baby. Shake. And the second, I will put the garlic.
Okay. Garlic niya na. Onion ay!
Onion. Muna naman ito. Garlic. I will put the ginger. So, finally, you shake that. And on the pot, I will put the onion. Onion rings?
Onion ring. Spring onion.
On the pot, I will put the spring onion. So drop it down. You shake it, baby. I will show you. I will show the berry tricks like this. So very hot. Okay, baby. I will shake that, baby. Finally, it's done. I will put the hot spicy with 10 pieces.
Napagod na Brad.
So, you shake that like this.
Okay.
Okay, and the last, I will put the ingredients. I will put the very special recipe, chicken halang-halang. Okay, and last niya, last niya niya. So,
Wala mo nagikuan ng kanon?
Okay. We will put this one first and I will leave it within 20 minutes. Finally, chicken alang-alang is already done. Wow! Bongga!